Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Squarespace for artists. Squarespace provides an excellent platform for artists to build a stunning online presence. You can effortlessly create a professional portfolio, display your artwork in beautiful galleries, and even sell your pieces directly to your audience. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to focus more on your art and less on website development. Let's dive into setting up your artistic hub. Building your portfolio on Squarespace begins with choosing a template that resonates with your artistic vision. There are over 100 templates available, many tailored for visual artists. Uploading high-resolution images is crucial. Aim for files around 2,000 pixels on the longest side for crisp display. Organize your work into clear categories, perhaps by series or medium, making it simple for visitors to explore your creations. Squarespace makes selling your art straightforward with its integrated e-commerce capabilities. You can add a shop section to your site in just a few clicks. Create compelling product pages for each artwork, including dimensions, materials, and a captivating story. Clearly outline your pricing, shipping costs, and return policies. The platform handles secure payments, and you can manage all your orders and inventory from one central dashboard, simplifying your sales process. To grow your artistic presence, Squarespace offers several marketing tools. Optimize your site for search engines by adding relevant keywords to your page titles and descriptions. Easily link your website to your Instagram, Facebook, and other social media profiles to drive traffic. Consider starting an email list. Squarespace's email campaigns allow you to send beautiful newsletters, keeping your audience informed about new work, exhibitions, and studio updates, fostering a loyal following.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.